Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and gaining clear access to the light cluster. Use a multimeter to confirm no voltage at the socket. That prevents shocks. Once done, remove the lens and retaining screws so you can see the bulb and wiring harness. Make sure to note wire colors and take a photo for reference. This helps when reconnecting. If corrosion is visible, scrape lightly now so you can see good contact points before you remove the bulb or socket. You'll remove the old bulb and test the socket continuity to confirm failure. A broken filament or corroded socket is common. Next, unplug or desolder the socket. Keep track of which wire goes where by matching colors. Install the new socket or bulb assembly using solder or crimp connectors for a reliable join. Apply dielectric grease to contacts to slow future corrosion, then neatly route and secure wires. You reconnect the trailer and activate brakes, turn signals, and running lights to verify operation. Watch for dim or intermittent behavior. Once confirmed, reinstall the lens and torque fasteners. Seal edges with a bead of silicone if leaks are present. If a light doesn't work, check the trailer ground first. Clean the mounting surface and red-eye-tin the ground screw, then inspect fuses and the vehicle plug. If blinking or weak output persists, test voltage at the socket to isolate wiring versus trailer harness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.